That's too much angle. If that is hard to pull out in any way, we're screwed. It's a close one.
My name is Mayan Spaccarelli. I've got a race shop that's run by a bunch of teenagers. They're gonna get it done or drive me insane in the process. The dump truck, we're gonna try to get the motor in today.
It's so freaking brutal.
If it's not perfectly centered, it won't go on there and they'll fight it for hours.
If that is hard to pull out in any way, we're screwed. Once we get it on here, we can kind of manually by hand rotate and push.
That's gonna be our hardest part.
You guys are my eyes because with all that stuff I can't see. Don't get your hands in the way in any way where it's gonna crush you. Slow. I'm going slow. It is going at an angle, doesn't it? Yeah. That's what
That's a good angle.
Oh, that's too much angle. So that didn't work. I will figure something out. Kind of ghetto, but you know, it works, it works.
You got 5 inches till this mast hits your
Okay.
firewall.
I knew this piece was going to be in trouble.
Yeah. Keep going? Yep. We would have hit the truck. So,
Back to plan A.
yeah. Mine doesn't have the proper tools here. If you did, we wouldn't be doing this.
Dude, it's hitting the frame.
It's a close one. Watch out. Watch your arms. Just hold the motor. Once it goes into the transmission, it'll go that way. Make it have sex. Yeah.
Definitely gotta go this way a lot.
Hey, go find the front motor mount.
We should have had that in there first.
Yep. I didn't know.
Oh, there's the socket again.
Oh yeah.
There's a bracket on the motor that we're now gonna take off. It's kind of but it's better than pulling the whole motor out again. You wanna put a bolt in it and see if you can pull it in just a little bit?
Rotate the crank a little if you can.
Yeah.
I only have so much wiggle with its strength.
You're in. All we need is the bolt and tighten.
You are now attached to structural metal. That's how you do it.
But they got it in, dude.
Uh-huh.